Today I received my first package and it came from China. You can see, and I want to see what is inside and what is special about it. I want you to join me in this. I have a razor blade. I think it will help us to unbox well. So I'll cut here. Cut like this and this and thickness. And I'll go like this. And wow! I see the products that are there. Right. This is a vintage T9. This is a shaver. And this cool guy. Who is she? I'm now having my studio wireless 6S headphones. You can see it's nice. I want to see how it works. Let me remove it and see. All the way from China, waited for this stuff. Wow, here it is. Shit, and it was. Can you imagine the price? I'm going to tell you the price I bought this item. I think I used about, to buy all these three things, those two things, I used about 3,000 forints. That's about 30,000. So I have this. It is a two-way, meaning it can, I don't know whether it is for charging it or for sound. And then I have this for charging. Wow, beautiful. This is for sound in case I want to use wired from here to my phone and I don't want wireless. Now this speaker is a wireless S9. It's wireless. Wow, I'm gonna enjoy. I've been tired of wired stuff and I had to send for this stuff here, and I want to test if it works. Yeah, I'm going to test it with you and I can unbox it well. It was delivered to Hungary, and then in Hungary it was received by Express One, and Express One is one that has brought it here. So I don't want to break it on first day even before using it. I'm seeing it like this. I don't know how they put it on. Oh, I don't want to break it. Yeah, it goes like that, so you can see it is nice. And then I put on, and I think how do I look? I look amazing. Now let me open this vintage T9 and show you how it looks like. Yeah, vintage T9 is for shaving beards and the likes. So here, and has every stuff inside. So this is my vintage T9. Wow, I don't know how they switch it on. This is the power. There it is. Wow. That's it. This is how the vintage works. It is a shaver for beards. It has combs and it has its own charger here, and I'm good to go. And that is my purchase. That's the box I was showing you. Now I'm left with banging music, and I feel it. So I can switch it on and you hear. Let me switch it on. Wow. Maybe there's no power. And increase the sound. It's now on. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. I can wireless. So I'm set to enjoy music. And I'm gonna make more YouTube videos for you guys. You're gonna enjoy. We are gonna enjoy together. This is the port for charging. And in case I want to transfer the sound using wired, this is the port. And we are good to go. So thank you guys for watching my channel. And this is AliExpress. I've ordered so many other products. I've ordered a kit of 45 sensors. I've ordered for a kit of Arduino starter kit. I've also ordered DT multimeter, and I'm ordering more products as I'm enjoying Europe. Less customs tax. So that is the benefit of being in Europe. Cheap prices, because this one I bought them for less than 30,000. This one and this one. Very amazing. So I wish you the best, guys. We catch up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I remain your Dennis Mohozi Kafaras. Semi to give Mernok.